My name is Yoo Kyung Lee from UAE. My nationality is South Korean. First of all, it's very pleasure to invite me this managing complex cases in gynecologic surgery scenario planning. Actually, it's my first time to visit this kind of animal lab because when I was a residentship or fellowship, there is no animal lab in South Korea. Of course, now we have that kind of program in this country. So it's my first time to visit this lab, and it's very organized system here. And it's the program itself is very impressive and very interesting, especially for the complication. It's difficult to make a practice in the real situation for the patients. However, for the managing of the complex cases or complication and the real situation in the lab, animal lab, it's very easy to learn and very good experience for the future my management.